because you yourself, you're pretty unique position where you said, you don't obviously have your own kind of social media, but you're very much shared, and your videos get shared and viral on YouTube, all that sort of stuff. So how did you initially get started on that front? Because usually for videos to go viral, you need like a big platform and you need to upload the video and stuff. But
not specifically about the videos, but also like, how did you even come into giving dawah and speaking about the deen on these kinds of platforms?
Look, I came into it when it was never planned. It's not something I woke up one day and decided, I want to be a speaker. I'm an electrician by trade, so that's what I do for a living. But I'll tell you what did happen. So what would happen was, like, I was going to a lot of Friday khutbahs, and I would hear great talks. Sorry, not great talks. I would hear great content, but delivered very poorly. And I remember sitting there listening, and I'm thinking, man, had you just said it like this, it would have been a lot more effective. Or had you not said this and said, so I would listen to the Shaykh or to whoever was speaking, and I'll think, man, you're throwing out gold here, but only if it was packaged differently. And so then sort of slowly, whenever I would get a chance or someone would tell me, do you want to say a couple of words? Like, I'd be passionate. And of course, I love my deen. I love Allah. I love speaking about deen. I think it's the best topic in the world. It's the best. It's the greatest. There's nothing better to talk about. And then just slowly, I would give talks, and the UMA was a great platform for me. Shaykh Shadi, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward him, he would allow me to get up at the camps and give a talk, and then it sort of just snowballed from there. So, UMA camps, and then it became a khutbah here and a khutbah there, and a funeral here and a funeral there, and it's sort of just, but it's not something I ever intended. I never woke up thinking, this is what I want to do.
And I guess it's unique where now I've seen, like, you flew out to UK to do talks there, if I remember. So how's the journey been for you so far in regards to Dawah itself?
You know how they always say all praise is due to Allah and all thanks is to Him. Wallahi, I've been showered with blessings that I don't deserve, but Allah gave them to me, so I thank Him for it. Wallahi, alhamdulillah. It's been amazing. I've traveled the world. I've met Muslims in all. It's just the best, man. Like, I can't hide that. It's been amazing. Wallahi, alhamdulillah.